Welcome to the MQTT client feature in the Brain. Here, we start by entering the connection information, IP address or DNS, the broker port, username, and password if needed. You can also define a specific topic to subscribe to. Once connected, the Brain automatically listens for incoming MQTT messages, which are displayed live in the Receive Data panel. On the right side, you can send messages to any topic in RAW format or JSON, depending on your device's requirements. Below that, the topic tree updates in real time, showing you the latest topics and messages being published. To verify communication, I'll send a command to a connected MQTT device. And here's the response, proving that the connection works and the device is active. With the Brain, MQTT communication is clear, responsive, and fully integrated into your monitoring interface. Thanks for watching. Please comment if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Remember to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. See you next time.